Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today, we explore the future of Italian performance and design perfection, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This isn't just a supercar, it's Ferrari's bold statement of innovation, power, and pure driving emotion. From the moment you see it, the F80 commands presence. The low-slung stance, sculpted aerodynamics, and razor-sharp LED lights create a silhouette that looks born for speed. The sweeping lines, active aero flaps, and carbon fiber details blend beauty with performance, making it unmistakably Ferrari. Beneath its lightweight carbon monocoque lies a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain, a twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors to produce a staggering 950 horsepower. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, launching the F80 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Step inside, and you enter a world of precision. The cockpit is driver-focused, minimalistic yet luxurious. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and digital displays dominate the cabin, with every element crafted for performance. The steering wheel integrates Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, giving drivers total control over the car's dynamic systems. Technology in the F80 pushes boundaries. Advanced aerodynamics, torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and hybrid boost control all work together to deliver razor-sharp handling and relentless acceleration. Ferrari's next-gen eDrive system ensures instant power while maintaining the brand's signature sound and emotion. On the road, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is pure adrenaline. It dances through corners with surgical precision, the hybrid system filling every power gap with electric thrust. Every throttle input, every shift, every curve feels alive. The perfect fusion of man, machine, and motion. Rivals like the McLaren Speedtail and Lamborghini Revuelto compete in numbers, but the F80 defines the soul of a true Ferrari. Artistry, innovation, and emotion combined. With an expected price over $3 million, it's built for those who desire not just performance, but perfection. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Stay tuned for more exclusive car reviews and performance icons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay connected to the latest in automotive excellence.